In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to hard reset an LG Aristo 2 smartphone. Okay. Now the first thing you need to do is to power the phone off. To power the phone off, press and hold down the power button. Power off. Power off. Okay, with the phone fully powered off. Okay, now with the phone fully powered off, you need to press and hold down the power button and the volume down button at the same time until the LG logo appears. When the LG logo appears, you have to immediately let go of the power button while still holding down the volume down button, and then repress the power button while still holding down the volume button. Okay, so I'm going to press the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Okay, let go of the power button. I press the power button again. Okay, now let go of all the buttons. Now using the volume down button, go to yes. Now press the power button. Using the volume down button, go to yes. Now press the power button. And there you go, the hard reset is now complete. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video and thank you for tuning in.